thrive in the face of the ongoing technological transformation. We need new materials with optimal performance, new functionalities, and longer lifetime. Materials that are not only high-performing and durable, but also enable new types of manufacturing processes and resource-saving solutions. VTT PowderPiloting helps you achieve that. We provide a fast track to innovative new material solutions and help you design everything from coatings to components to functional additives and circular economy solutions. We'll take you from material design to powder and a finished product with ease. With tailored powder materials and new and advanced manufacturing processes, such as multi-material direct energy deposition, we ensure optimal characteristics and performance of the product. We can unleash new opportunities for innovators in sectors ranging from process industries to manufacturing and beyond. Everything from safeguarding your components against wear, corrosion, and high temperatures, to enhancing the electrical and magnetic properties of a material, to replacing critical raw materials with more sustainable ones, is possible with VTT PowderPiloting. Accelerate your development cycle with us and get a head start on solving the material challenges of tomorrow.